Welcome to another video. So you want to know how to make an intro GUI? Oh wait, with play button too? That's great. Also, I'll link some website I used in the making of this video. It will be great if you want to make your own animation better than me. Step 1. Insert Screen GUI, text button, and local script. Frame is optional. Step 2. Customize the button and the frame. You can customize it as you want it. All of the animation will have to be triggered after the button is pressed. Step 3. Create the animation with tweening and loop. You can check link down below for the website. Step 4. I'll just tell you what I am trying to do here. Why? Because I recorded for too long. And my time to edit is running out. So, you set the object location you want to animate out of the screen with the local script. For the transparency, set the background/text transparency to 0. After that, tween the object you want to animate in the middle of the screen or somewhere else. Create a loop with starting value 0 and end value 1, then increments 0.01. The more 0 you add behind the period, the longer it takes for the object to fade. Now you set the background/text transparency to the variable, in my case it's I. So, for I equals 0,1, 0.01 do background/transparency equals I. Step 5. You can add music to the script too. Simply play the sound when the GUI start moving, or you can do it before it appears. To make it slowly go silent, do loop. Music.volume equals I. The I start value will have to be 1 and the end value is 0, the increment is minus 0.01. Bye.